Here's where you can find Zaria's creations on social media. Hey guys, while you're here, why not click that subscribe button down below on the right hand side, then click that notification bell so you'll be the first to know when there's a new video posted to this channel. And if you like this video, give us a thumbs up before you go. Hey y'all, hey, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while and I keep saying I know it's been a while, but I told you guys I was up to something good, So if you're not following me on IG, make sure you're following me on IG because that's where I drop all my good news first. So if you really want to be the first in the know, you definitely want to check out my Instagram. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, you follow, you comment. Also, hit that notification bell right here on YouTube. The notification bell, the subscribe bell, to make sure that you don't miss a beat as to what's going on with Zaria's creations. Now, first I want to say, I know this whole thing with COPPA is going around, and a lot of creators are deleting videos, deleting their channels, and I want to say, I'm in it for the long haul. They're going to have to push me out. I will still be here on YouTube, going to figure this thing out on how we are going to do the YouTube from here on out. And yeah, so stay tuned for more than that. And like I say, I can understand the reasoning for doing it, but I think we also need to make parents responsible for what their children are watching and which channel they're actually watching. So if you are listening and you have small children, please give them YouTube Kids versus allowing them to look on your YouTube. All right, please and thank you. All right, so what we have here today is, so right before you, I have my B6 Traveler's Notebooks that I am currently making and will soon be on my Etsy shop. That's right, I have started my Etsy shop and it is at Zaria's Creations Co. Make sure you go on and make sure that you guys follow and favorite. These are not quite done, but they will be done within the next few days because these are actually for December. They're Christmas themed, as you can see. We have some jingle balls and we have some, what are these called? Ornaments. Season's greeting and Christmas stuff and the like. So what I'm doing right now is I'm making charms for my Traveler's Notebooks. Now you can see I have some charms here, but I need something else. I need more. This one doesn't even have one. And so I was in our local Joann's when I came across these earrings. These are from Heidi and Joe. And the young lady who works in the store, she knows me very well from the Happy Planner world. I had them searching for Happy Planners, high and low. She gave me a little inside scoop. And I think, what day was it that I went? I think I went on Tuesday. I went on a Tuesday, and she said, if you come back tomorrow, these will be 75% off. I don't know how much they are because they don't have a tag on them. And what I want to do with these is take these earrings, because I will not be seen in these, and turn them into planner charms. Because I need some charms for my planner. And they're just for Christmas. And so I am going to show you guys how I take these earrings, isn't this cute, and turn them into planner charms. So first, what you're going to need is a jewelry kit. I can hardly say it. And mine is a mess. I apologize. I used to make jewelry back in the day. Either a jewelry kit or some pliers or some scissors where you can take the earrings apart and put them back together. And if you don't have one, I'll leave a link in the description bar down below where you can purchase your own. All right, so I have my earrings and I'm going to move it up close. What we need to do is undo this circle part. right or right there. Can we see that? Is it focused? We need to undo it from here, and we need on the hook. Also, what you're going to need is some jump hooks. And I have various sizes of jump hooks. Let me turn this the right direction. In case you don't know what those are, you can grab these from your local Michael or Joann's. You can also grab the jewelry kit from your local Michael or Joann's as well. And I have some silver ones as well as some gold. Now don't y'all start singing Kurt Franklin silver and gold now that you heard me say that. Alright, so let's get started. So I'm going to take my rounders first. See if I can unround, see if I can get this in there. Yep, to unround. Here we go. Simple. And here's the backing to the earring. Now, I'm not going to throw this out because I don't know if I can use it for something else. So, we'll hold that. And then I'm going to just take my jump ring. And these jump rings have, let's see, a very small opening. You can see there. And I'm just going to open it up. And I'm going to slide our snowman, if I can get it. It's my son walking around. Sorry for the squeaky. Right on. Then I'm going to take my planner. Oops, did I really lose my charm? Put that around my string. Put this back on. And go back to the way I was doing it. And then close it up. Make sure that your charm is out of the way. And that snowman is super cute. And now we have our snowman planner charm. And you can put as many on here as you like. Some people like the jingles. But yeah, so let's do another one. I don't have any blue. Well, let's do the clear one, because this one has a little hang to it, and it does have a little chain to it, and this one is just a tad bit different, just a tad. So what we would need to do is open up this part right here where the ball is. Is it going to focus for us? So there's a little ball right there. We're just going to pull it apart and take the chain off, and then throw it on a jump ring and throw it on a planner. Simple, right? Where is it now? Okay, there it is. Go. I'm just going to take that to hold it and see if I can squeeze my rounder, and I can. And then these should be able to slide right off. I'm just going to open it up. and just place it on, oops, I have it too far back. There we go. Need to have an open end so you can actually place it back. There's one. And then there's two. So then I can actually hang. So let's not close it all the way. Let's just throw it on. And there you go. And don't mind this, I have to cut this off. All right, so that was like simple, guys, right? Just for some earrings that were 75% off. So I'm sure only paid like $1.50 at the end of the day. Super cool. So yeah, why not? Make them into planner charms. And I'm gonna see what else I can come up with. This one is rolled pretty tight. Yeah, but it's just rounded into a circle to keep it closed. And this one is gold. That one was a little hard. Just put it on. Grab your traveler's notebook. And you can actually throw it right through the loop that is already on that one, or you could just throw it on your elastic string. See ya. Just saying bye to my son, who's about to go out. Oop, did that really come up? I didn't close it. I'm doing too much here. I turned to look at him going out the door. All right, wait, what? And then it came off. There we go. All right. And make sure it's closed before you walk away, or you'll lose your charm, as you just saw that I almost did. And just pinch it as close as you can to keep your charm. Let me retighten this one. All right. And there we have it. Christmas planner charm. That's cute. All right, guys, so make sure you guys head on over to my Etsy shop if you're interested in purchasing your holiday TN. Really simple. Check the link down below and it'll take you right there. And have fun. Just so simple. Turning these into planner charms. I said it was going to be quick, right? All right, don't forget to click that like and subscribe button, guys, down below to be the first to know when there's a new video posted to this channel. And until next time.